the first cut that you get a while ago, right? That was from the first album, right? Because me generate the first album, right? But now, one new album will come out now with new producer from England. So, watch this. Now give you a little piece off of one of the new album. One of the songs off of the new album, right? Hear the piece anyway, it's it. From we born, we hear them a talk about heaven and hell.
Everything good.
Them say down them and dwell. So watch a piece. Live in a heaven, live in a hell, live in a heaven, live in a hell. Holy Mount Zion is calling, is calling. Watch how wicked Babylon is falling, is falling. What is to be must be, oh gosh. If a man blind, don't blame him, cause he will never ever see. Blind is blind, no you can't see that way. Live in a hell, live in a hell, live in a heaven, live in a hell. I hear a lot of bitter songs, I hear a lot of sweet songs, I hear a lot of black songs, I hear a lot of white songs, I hear a lot of love songs, I hear a lot of war songs. Watch the news on your television, listen the news on your radio station, for sure, so that we live in a heaven, live in a hell, live it. You see it? It's all about half of the new album, see? Live in a heaven, live in a hell, because them said from we born, heaven and hell is where man dwell. But I, as Rastafari, seeking to tread to holy Mount Zion. Rastafari is the light. Give thanks for life. Bless. Love again.
Perfect love. And honor. And respect.
Live in a heaven, live in a hell, live in a heaven, live in a hell. Holy Mount Zion is calling.